Okay, so my great uncle recently died, and my dad inherited this truck. So, we're gonna give you a tour of the inside. I haven't even been in yet, but it looks like old. It looks very old. So, here. Oh! Okay, it doesn't lock. What is the steering wheel? How do you open this compartment? Do you crawl through? Oh, there's a handle, it looks like. What? Is that expired? What? Why are there saws in here? Smells like poo. Oh, well, that concludes the tour, I guess. I really just wanted to get out there. Oh, my God. You can't even close it. All right, like and subscribe. Bye.